Hello friends, welcome to my channel Happy Life. Today I was just recreating a canvas. First I thought I'll just dispose this. I'll just throw away this canvas. It's of no use. But I got an idea. I've just drawn an outline and then started coloring it, and you can see the outlines come out perfect, and you can see the beautiful blue flowers in middle, and the petals around, all the details. You can see the details over there. It's like making use of old what do you call, waste items, or so whatever, without destroying or disposing it. You can just recreate it beautifully. I just thought of giving a design, and then with a lighter shade, and then outline with a darker shade. It looks beautiful. And friends, please subscribe my channel, watch the video without skipping, and don't forget to like the video. You can see I've given the darker shade and coloring the details. The outcome really looks good after coloring it. It was an old canvas which is lying at home, and I tried to recreate, and it really looked good. A sort of modern design. It's all creativity, and yeah, the outcome is here. The combination of lighter shades and darker shade of blue gives a new look overall. The finish looks beautiful. Finishing. Now I've just tried a lighter shade first, coloring for the coloring. It's like petals around, blue rose, and petals around, withered, or it's widespread. Now I've given the darker shade. I've used the darker shade for the outline. You can just see it looks beautiful. Wow, looks good. Darker shade, so highlighting. It's so highlighting, friends. Beautiful. The outline, it just highlights the design. Awesome. It's awesome. And friends, don't skip the video. Please watch the video completely without skipping. It's all creativity, friends. Just can try whatever you draw, whatever comes in your mind, just draw it, paint it, color it. The beauty lies in this, friends. It's just so relaxing, and your friends, you should try it actually. Try coloring and drawing. It's really a stress buster. You don't have to be perfect, friends, but just practice and you'll achieve it. The beauty lies in the outline. Just give few shapes like triangle, round, square, whatever shape you want to give, and put the outline, and you can see the outcome so beautiful. It looks good. It looks like embossed, friends, embossed. Don't forget to like and